अब हम सॉल्व करने वाले हैं प्रैक्टिस सेट 1.3 का सेकंड क्वेश्चन, फाइंड द फॉलोइंग वैल्यूज ऑफ डिटरमिनेंट्स. ओके, so let's solve first question. Now we have determinant. Suppose this is a is equals to -1 7 and 2 4. अब इसकी वैल्यू हमें फाइंड आउट करनी है. सो व्हाट विल बी द वैल्यू? सो किस तरह से हम इसे सॉल्व करते हैं? -1 will be multiplied by 4. -1 multiplied by 4 minus 7 multiplied by 2. 7 multiplied by 2. So -1 into 4 -4 minus 7 to the 14. So this will be minus will be plus. So we'll get answer -18. So value of determinant A will be -18. Now next question, that is question number 2. Let's suppose this is B in determinant 5 3 -7 0. Okay, so this will be multiplied with each other. 5 multiplied by 0 minus in bracket 3 multiplied by -7. So this will be 5 into 0 0. Minus 3 into -7, so it will be -21. Minus plus, so we'll get answer 21. So the value of determinant B will be 21. And the last question, that is third one. Let's suppose this is C 7/3, 5/3, 3/2 and 1/2. Same here also, it will be multiplied. This 2 will be multiplied and this one will be subtracted. Okay, so it will be 7/3 multiplied by 1/2 minus 5/3 multiplied by 3/2. So in multiplication, numerator will be multiplied with numerator और denominator का multiplication denominator से होगा. So 7 1s are 7 and 3 2s are 6 minus 5 2s are 5 3s are 15 and 3 2s are 6. Because denominator same है और subtraction करना है तो हम directly subtract कर सकते हैं. Denominator will be written only once. Okay, and 7 minus 15, so we'll get answer -8. Smallest form में हम इसे change कर सकते हैं, so it will be -4/3. So value of determinant C will be -4/3. This will be your answer. Got it everyone? Okay.